Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial, and you are watching part 57 Major Views in MVC. In this session, you will learn Major View syntax and its uses. Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts 54, 55, and 56. In part 56, I was explained about how to print cross-site scripting attacks in MVC. So today we will use @@ symbol, how to use it in C# code to connect to the HTML. So use @ symbol to switch between C# code and HTML like this. This is the example of print 1 to 10, and inside of that I have given connection C# to the HTML using @ symbol. Okay. So let's click to the Visual Studio and check it. So I will have the code to print the 1 to 10 numbers for integer equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay. This is my C# code, and I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. So this all code are C#, right? Now to print the number, I will use I for that print I. If I use this with @I, then I can print all the numbers. Okay. Like you can see here in this slide, I have used this @I symbol. But not only this @I symbol, I if I want to write force, then you must use this symbol because every result keyword must have the resolution text to connect to the HTML and C#. Okay, so to print this number, I need this C# code, and to display in the HTML view page, I need this symbol with this result keyword and to print these numbers. So @I, and to uh, use the HTML text bool, I am using this B tag. So print here, and let's check it, run it, and check it. After that, we will use this inline block, a code block. Here in this code block, I have used all the C# code, but to print the value, I need this symbol. In the this curly brackets, I have written this C# code, and to display these even odd values, I need uh, at the outside within HTML tag. Okay, to print the sum of even and sum of code. We will check after this. So you can see here the number is printed. If I remove this I at the rate, what happened? We see. Let's check it. It it is printing only the eyes. Why? Because it has not given the connection between this HTML tag and the C# code. If I want to print the real values, then I need the symbol to switch between HTML and C#. So I must need this symbol. Okay. Now, if you want to calculate any mathematical values inside of this C# code here in the MVC, then you need a code block like this. Okay. at the rate symbol and this curly brackets. Inside of that, you will write all the C sharp code. Okay. So let's start it and check it. For that, I will use at the rate curly brackets and inside of the no, so integer sum of even number equal to 0. Integer sum of odd numbers equal to 0. Okay. Now first for integer and equal to 0 less than equal to 10 I plus plus. Okay. Now here before this for user keyword, I don't need that symbol because at the start, at the beginning of this code block, I have defined here the that symbol. So all code I written in this code block will be in C sharp. If to print even numbers, if I reminder 2 equal to 0, then sum of even equal to sum of even plus I, right? Else sum of odd equal to sum of odd plus I, right? So this is getting the value of even and odd numbers sum. But to print the numbers, we require here in the between HTML tag and C sharp value. So H3 sum of u1 equal to at the rate this sum of u1, right? And H3 sum of 4 equal to at the rate sum of all. Okay, let's check it now. If I refresh, right? You can see here the sum of even numbers 1 to 10 is 13 and sum of all numbers is 25. So to display the value, we require a direct symbol with the variables. Okay, and need this code block to calculate the mathematical functions. Okay. Now this code is generated. The next code is to print the text value of the even and odd, which numbers are even and which numbers are odd. Okay, so to print the text value, we require this text tag, or if you don't use this text tag, then you require at the rate colon symbol. Okay, let's see, check it. So I put it here and if I reminder to equal to 0, then with even numbers or else print all numbers. So for that text and in between this we will switch this at the rate I. Okay. So whatever the text of odd and even will be print within this at the rate I. Right? You can see here. Okay. So to print the characters, we require that character. Okay, for that in place of the data because we don't want to print the numbers but want to print the characters. Okay, so numbers will be printed automatically with this at the data. Now I want to print the characters. Okay, so for that E1 and E4 and before this the number will be print from here. Okay, so save it, run it, and check it. F5. Right, you can see here 1 or 2 even 3 or and 4 is even like this. If I want to print this in vertical column, then I need bricks. Every line will print the brick. Save it and run it. Refresh it. Right now, uh, in place of this text, if I want to use at the rate symbol, then what I want to do, I will use like this in place of text at the rate column and the characters to print like this. Uh, so I will remove this and at the rate column even at the rate column all. Okay, the number will be print from here and the text will be print from here. You can see here if I don't put this column symbol, then it will give us the error, readline error. So to print the text, we must require this column with a symbol. Now save it, refresh it, and check it. You can see the same output within this. In place of text code, I have using this at the rate column symbol. Okay, so our session ends here. So this is the end of my video session. And if you like this video, please subscribe it, share it, like it. Thank you for watching video. Have a great day.